Sam wanted to paint this wall in his room with green color because he wanted to stick his favorite superhero Hulk's posters on this particular wall. So he went to the shopkeeper and asked for some paint. Now the shopkeeper asked, "How much paint do you need?" Well, he had no idea. So he asked, "How can I measure?" The shopkeeper said, "Well, you need to calculate how much space you need to paint." So what is the space occupied by this wall? How much space does Sam need to paint? Well, now in order to find the space occupied by the wall, Sam needs to find the area of the wall. So space occupied by any shape is the area of that shape. So if I have this particular shape and this entire shaded region here is the space occupied by this shape, or we can say that this entire region here is the area of the shape. So area is the space occupied by a shape. So in this case, this entire shaded region is the area of this particular shape. Now to find the area of this wall, Sam thought of a technique. Well, he said, "I have a square tile, so I will measure how many tiles can completely cover this particular area." And then he can tell the shopkeeper that he needs to paint an area covered by those many tiles. So he got a tile and started measuring the area of this particular wall. So he took a tile and placed on the wall. Then he took another one and placed here. Similarly, he took more tiles and started covering the area. So you see, we have already got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tiles to cover this area. Now on this side, these can be placed like this. Now similarly, we place all the tiles and then we will count the number of tiles that completely cover this area. So approximately we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 square tiles completely cover this particular space, which means the area of this particular space is 15 square tiles. So you see, you can measure area of any particular shape with the help of another shape. For example, this square tile. So what exactly did Sam find out in this particular exercise? Well, he was able to find out the area of this particular wall, which is nothing but the space occupied by this particular wall. So area is a very important measure for any shape which you are handling. Now we have this shape here and we need to calculate the amount of space which this particular shape occupies. So what do we need to calculate exactly? Well, we need to calculate the area of this shape. So you see, whenever you need to calculate space occupied by a shape, it is nothing but area of the shape. So let's start calculating. So we'll use these square tiles again. So 1 and 2 of them here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we can find an approximate value of the area, that is 14 square tiles. Now as you can see, when I'm using these tiles, I'm definitely able to calculate the area, but it will never be accurate, right?